वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का चैप्टर है पीरियोडिक टेबल, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट एंड पीरियोडिसिटी इन प्रॉपर्टी। ठीक है, द पीरियोडिक टेबल इज आर्गुएबली द मोस्ट important concept in chemistry, both in principle and in practice. It is the everyday support for students. It suggests new avenues of research professional, and it provides a sufficient organization of whole chemistry. It is a remarkable demonstration of the fact that the chemical elements are not random cluster of identity, but instead display trend and lie together in family. And awareness of the periodic table is essential to anyone who wishes to distinguish the world and see how it builds up from the fundamental building block, the chemistry and chemical element. ठीक है, after studying the unit, you will be able to appreciate how the concept of grouping element in accordance to the property lead to the development of periodic table. Understand the periodic law, understand the significance of atomic number and electronic configuration on the basis of periodic table. Name the element with Z is greater than 100 according to IUPAC nomenclature. Classify element into S, P, D, F block and learn their main character. Recognize the periodic trend in physical and chemical property of element. Compare the reactivity of element and correlate with it with the occurrence in nature. Explain the relationship between ionization, enthalpy, and metallic character. Use scientific vocabulary appropriate to communicate ideas related to certain important property. Example: atomic and anionic radii, ionization, enthalpy, electronic gain, enthalpy, electronegativity, valence of the elements. ठीक है? In this unit, you will be study a historical development of periodic table as is stand today and modern periodic table law. ठीक है? We will also learn how the periodic classification follow as a logical consequences of electronic configuration of atom. Finally, we shall examine some of the periodic trend in physical and chemical property of the element. ठीक है? Why do we need to classify element? We know by now that the elements are the basic unit of all type of matter. In 1800, only 31 elements were known. By 1865, the number of identified elements had more than doubled, 63. At present, 114 elements are known. Of them, the recently discovered elements are man-made. ठीक है? Effort to synthesis of new elements are continuing. With such a large number of elements, it is very difficult to study individually the chemistry of all these elements and their innumerable compound individuality. ठीक है? To case out this problem, scientists search for systematic way to organize their knowledge by classifying elements. Not only that, it will rationalize knowing chemical fact about element, but even predict new one undertaking the further study. Genesis of periodic table. Classification of element into group and development of periodic table are the consequences of the systemizing the knowledge and gained by number of the scientists through their observation and experiment. The German chemist John Dobereiner in early 1800 was the first to consider the idea trend among properties of element. By 1829, he noted a similarity among the physical and chemical property of several group of three-element triads. In each case, he noticed that the middle element of each triad has an atomic weight about halfway between the atomic weight of the other two. ठीक है? Also, the property of middle element were in between those of other two members. Since Doverineer, the periodic recurrence of the property. This also did not attract much attention. The English chemist John Alexander Newland in 1865 propounded the law of octet. He arranged the element in increasing order of atomic weight and noted that every eighth element has a property similar to the first element. The relationship was just like every eighth note that resembled the first in the octaves of music. Newland's law of octaves seemed to be true only for the element up to calcium, although his idea was not widely accepted at the time. He, for his work, was later awarded Davy Medal in 1887 by Royal Society, London. The periodic law, as we know it today, owes its development to the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev and German chemist Lothar Mayers। जैसे देखिए ये डोबेराइनर ट्रेड्स है, ठीक है। डोबेराइनर ट्रेड क्या था? डोबेराइनर ट्रेड्स हो गया, ठीक है। Relationship refers to the law of trade seen to only few elements. It does mean the coincidence. The next reported attempt was made by French geologist A.B.T. Cartounis in 1862. He arranged the known element in order of increasing atomic weight and made a cylindrical working independently. Both the chemists in 1869 proposed an arranging element in the increasing order of atomic weight similarly appear in physical chemical property. Lothar Meyer plotted a physical property such as atomic volume, melting point, boiling point, atomic weight of 10। ये न्यूलैंड्स ऑक्टेड है, एट्थ एलिमेंट जो वो सिंगिंग वाला बताया था। A periodically repeated pattern. Unlike Newland, Lothar Meyer observed a change in length of repeating pattern. By 1868, Lothar Meyer has developed a table of elements that closely resemble the modern periodic table. However, his work was not published until after the work of Timothy Mendeleev, the scientist who is generally credited with development of modern periodic table. While Dobereiner initiated the study of periodic relationship, it was eventually who was responsible for publishing the periodic law first time it is straightforward. The property of element are the periodic function of their atomic weight। देखिए गाइस, पहले के जितने साइंटिस्ट थे वो उन्होंने पीरियोडिक टेबल को ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एटॉमिक वेट क्लासिफाई किया, ठीक है। वेट, लेकिन मेन ट्रेंड क्या है एलिमेंट को एटॉमिक नंबर के वाइज क्लासिफाई करना। तो वही जो आगे के जो साइंटिस्ट आएंगे वो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर करेंगे, लेकिन कहाँ तक एटॉमिक वेट वाले साइंटिस्ट थे ये देखते हैं। देखिए सबसे सबसे सुटेबल, सबसे अच्छा मतलब मेंडलीव का पीरियोडिक टेबल पहले के समय में सबसे अच्छा इनका माना जाता है, ठीक है। एक मतलब एक जीनियस टाइप, मतलब गॉड ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल कह सकते हैं। मेंडलीव अरेंज एलिमेंट इन हॉरिजॉन्टल रोज एंड वर्टिकल कॉलम। देखिए इस समय की तरह वो पहले ही दे दिए थे। अब टेबल इन ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक वेट इन सच ए वे दैट एलिमेंट विद सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी ऑक्यूपाई द सेम वर्टिकल कॉलम और ग्रुप। Mendeleev's system of classifying elements was more elaborate than Lothar Meyer, ठीक है। He fully recognized the significance of periodicity and used a broader range of physical and chemical property to classify the element, ठीक है। Broader range of physical and chemical property to classify the element. In particular, Mendeleev relied on similarity in empirical formula। देखो मेंडलीव ने empirical formula को लाया था and property of compound found by the element, ठीक है। He realized that some of the element did not fit with the scheme classification if order of atomic weight was strictly followed. He ignored the order of atomic weight, thinking that the atomic measurement might be incorrect, and placed the element with similar property together. For example, iodine with lower atomic weight, that is of tellurium, group 6, was placed in group 7, along with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, because the similarity in the property। ठीक है। आयोडीन विथ लोअर एटॉमिक वेट देन टेलोरियम ग्रुप 6, वो किसके साथ प्लेस्ड हुए थे? फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन एंड ब्रोमीन। देखिए ये सारी चीजें एक ग्रुप में आ गई थी क्योंकि इनका देखिए बाद में भी सारी ये हेलोजन्स फैमिली है जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं। तो ये सारी चीजें एक साथ आ गई थी, उसी समय आ गई थी मेंडलीव के समय। एट सेम टाइम कीपिंग हिज प्राइमरी एम ऑफ अरेंजिंग द एलिमेंट ऑफ similar property in same group, he proposed that some of the elements were still undiscovered, ठीक है, and therefore left several gaps in the table। देखिए कुछ एलिमेंट जो थे वो उस समय अनडिस्कवर्ड थे, उन्होंने पता नहीं कोई कैलकुलेशन कर किया होगा, सोचिए कितने जीनियस थे कि उन्हें पता चल गया था कि कुछ चीजें हैं वो अभी भी मिस कर रही हैं पीरियोडिक टेबल में। तो उन्होंने उसके लिए पहले से ही जगह दे दिया था कि जैसे इक्का अल्मुनियम, इक्का सिलिकॉन, इक्का अल्मुनियम दिया था अल्मुनियम के नीचे वाले को कि ये अल्मुनियम के जैसे प्रॉपर्टी शो करेगा, और वो आया भी वैसा भी। चलिए अब आगे पढ़ते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बोथ गैलियम एंड जर्मेनियम वेर अननोन एट टाइम. मेंडलीव published his periodic table. He left the gap under aluminum and a gap under silicon and called the element that Eka aluminum, Eka silicon. Mendeleev predicted not only existence of gallium and germanium but also described some of their general physical properties. देखिए अल्युमिनियम के ये गैलियम और जर्मीनियम जो उसके नीचे आते हैं, एक अल्युमिनियम एक सिलिकॉन के, तो उन्होंने बताया कि केवल ऐसे नहीं कि बस रख दिया, उनका प्रॉपर्टीज भी बताया उन्होंने, physical property. The element were discovered later. Some of the property predicted by Mendeleev for their elements and those found experimentally are listed in table. ठीक है. The boldness of Mendeleev quantitative prediction and their eventual success made him and his periodic table famous. Mendeleev periodic table published in 1905 as shown in figure 3.1. ठीक है. Mendeleev prediction for the element इक्का अल्यूमिनियम गैलियम और इक्का सिलिकॉन. ठीक है. इक्का अल्यूमिनियम किसको बोला था? गैलियम की जगह को, और इक्का सिलिकॉन जर्मेनियम को. अब ये इनका कुछ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, डेंसिटी देख लीजिए सारे का, ये मेंडलीव ने बताया था. ठीक है. ये मेंडलीव का पीरियोडिक टेबल है. ठीक है. मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल हमारे में आ नहीं रहा है, आप देख लीजिएगा. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद से मेंडलीव के बाद से क्या आया? मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल. ठीक है. मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ एंड देयर प्रेजेंट form of periodic table. We must bear in mind that the Mendeleev developed his periodic table. Chemists knew nothing about the internal structure of atom. However, the beginning of 20th century witnessed profound development in the theory about subatomic particle. In 1913, the English physicist Henry Moseley observed regularity in the characteristics of X-ray spectra of the element. A plot versus frequency root b and X-rays emitted atomic number. ठीक है. एक एक प्लॉट इन्होंने प्लॉट किया फ्रीक्वेंसी और एटॉमिक नंबर के बीच में. ठीक. एटॉमिक नंबर और फ्रीक्वेंसी के बीच में जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन गया. ठीक है. मेंडलीव, देखिए मेंडलीव वगैरह जितने साइंटिस्ट थे उन्होंने पीरियोडिक टेबल को एटॉमिक वेट वाइज क्लासिफाई किया, लेकिन मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल एटॉमिक नंबर वाइज क्लासिफाई है, जो सबको पता है. ठीक है. तो एक्स रे और फ्रीक्वेंसी और एक्स रे के बीच में जब इन्होंने लाइन बनाया तो वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन गया. ठीक है. लाइन एंड प्लॉट. ठीक है. ही और एक लाइन इन्होंने फ्रीक्वेंसी वर्सेस एटॉमिक मास में बनाया. ठीक है. तो स्ट्रेट लाइन मोर एक्यूरेट एटॉमिक नंबर वाला गया. ही थर्बी शोड दैट द एटॉमिक नंबर इज मोस्ट more fundamental property of element than atomic mass. Mentally periodic law therefore accordingly modified. This is known as modern periodic table. The physical and chemical property of element are periodic function of their atomic number. ठीक है. सबको पता चल गया. The periodic law revealed important analogy among 94 naturally occurring elements. Neptunium, polonium, titanium are also found in the pitchblende and the ore of uranium. It stimulated renewed interest in inorganic chemistry and has carried into the present with the creation and artificially produced in short lived. ठीक है. You may recall that the atomic number is equal to the nuclear charge. ठीक है. Number of proton or number of electron in neutral atom. It is then easy to visualize the significance of quantum number and electronic configuration in periodicity element. In fact, it is now recognized that the periodic law is essentially the consequence of periodic variation in electronic configuration, which indeed determine the physical and chemical property of element and their compound. Numerous forms of periodic table have been devised from time to time. Some form emphasize chemical reaction and valence, whereas others stress the electronic configuration of element. A modern version is so-called long form of the periodic table of element is most convenient and widely used. The horizontal row Mendeleev called series and a period called vertical column called group. Elements having similar outer electronic configuration in the same atom are arranged in vertical column, referred to as group और फैमिली, जिनका सेम नंबर आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन वो ग्रुप एक ही ग्रुप में आ जाएंगे या सेम प्रॉपर्टी कह सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ आई इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री IUPAC, द ग्रुप are numbered from 1 to 18 replacing the older notation. ठीक है. जो ए बी सेवंथ ए था वो 1 से 18 तक ग्रुप में बट गए. देयर आर ऑल थ्रू 7 पीरियड. द पीरियड नंबर करस्पॉन्ड टू द हाईएस्ट प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर, ठीक है, ऑफ द एलिमेंट इन द पीरियड. द फर्स्ट पीरियड कंटेन 2 एलिमेंट, द सब्सिक्वेंट पीरियड कंटेन, ठीक है, रेस्पेक्टिवली 2, 8, 18, 18, 32. The seventh period is incomplete like sixth period would have theoretically maximum on the basis of the quantum number of 32 element in the form of periodic table. 14th element of both sixth and seventh period, lactanoid and actinoid respectively, are placed in several separate panel of the bottom. ठीक है, नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ एलिमेंट विथ एटॉमिक नंबर. ठीक है, ये इम्पोर्टेंट ये भी है क्योंकि अब जैसे जो एनटीए है तो वो ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, जबकि सीबीएसई पहले जो नीट कराते थे वो ऊपर नीचे से पूछते थे, लेकिन नॉमेनक्लेचर पे बहुत इनका हाईलाइट रहा है एनटीए वालों का. The naming of new element have been traditionally the privilege of the discoverer and suggested the name of the referred by IUPSC. The recent year, this had led to some controversy. The new element with high atomic number are so unstable that 1 minute quantity sometime only. ये देखिए मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल है, ये सारे देख लीजिएगा. A few atoms of them are obtained. Their synthesis and characterization therefore require a high sophisticated cost, equipment and laboratory. Such work are carried out with competitive spirit only in some laboratory in the world. Scientists, before collecting the relatable data on new element, at times got tempered to claim its discovery. For example, both American and Soviet scientists claimed credit for discovering 104, ठीक है, American name it Rutherfordium, whereas Soviet name it Kucherov, ठीक है. द टू अवॉइड सच प्रॉब्लम, देखिए अगर नोमेनक्लेचर हम देखेंगे तो हर देश का अलग अलग हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जैसे रसिया ने कुछ क्वालिफाई कर दिया, पता है हाइड्रोजन को कुछ और बोल दिया, अमेरिका ने कुछ और बोल दिया, किसी को कोई और बोल गया. जैसे रसिया के कुछ नाम है, रुदरफोर्डियम, कुचरबेडियम, 104 एलिमेंट को उन्होंने बोला, तो वो सारी चीजें अलग अलग है. ठीक है, IUPAC has made a recommendation that until a new element discovery is proved and name of officially recognized, the systematic nomenclature be derived directly from the atomic number of element using the numerical roots of zero. ठीक है, these are shown in table 3.4. The root are put together in order of. अब ये देखिए, जीरो को नील, अन, बाई, ट्राई, क्वाड, पेंट, हेक्स, हेप्ट, ऑक्ट, इन. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें. अब ये देखिए, अन किसको बोलते हैं 1 को, नील किसको बोलते हैं 0 को, अन किसको बोलते हैं 1 को. ठीक है, अन अन अनिल भाई, तो जैसे जैसे जो भी आएगा वो करेंगे, और ये सब चीजें तो आप कर लेंगे, वो सब याद करके, लेकिन इससे इम्पोर्टेंट है ना इसका ये वाला याद करना, ऑफिशियल नेम. क्योंकि वो ऑफिशियल नेम 2-3 क्वेश्चन पूछ चुका है. 101 का मेंडेलिनियम, 102 का नोबेलिनियम, 103 का लवर्सियम, 104 का रदरफोर्डियम, 105 का डबनियम, 106 का सेवॉर्जियम, 107 का बोरियम, 108 का हेसियम, 109 का मिस्थेनियम, 110 का डर्मेस्ट्रियम, 111 का रोगेनियम, 112 का कोपर्सियम. ये सारी चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. ये ऑफिशियल नेम. Thus, the new element first get a temporary name with symbol consisting of 3 letters. Later permanent name and a symbol given by vote of IUPAC representative from each country. The permanent name might reflect the country or state name in which the element were discovered or pay a tribute to the notable scientist. As as of now, element with atomic number 118 has been discovered. Official name of the element have been announced by IUPAC. ये देखिए प्रॉब्लम है, आप सॉल्व करिएगा. अब देखिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट एंड पीरियोडिक टेबल. ठीक है, In the preceding unit, we have learned that an electron in the atom is characterized by a set of four quantum numbers, the principal quantum number n define the main energy level of the cell. We have also studied about the filling of electron into different subcells, also referred to as orbitals. Here, the distribution of electron into the orbital in isoelectron. The element location in the periodic table reflect the quantum number of last orbital field. In section we will observe a direct connection between electronic configuration. ठीक है? Electronic configuration in period. The period indicate the value of n for the outermost valence shell. In other words, successive period of periodic table is associated with filling of next higher principal quantum number, and can be readily seen that the number of elements in each periodic is twice the number of atomic orbital available in the energy level and that is being filled. The first period n is equal to 1 start with the filling of the lowest level 1s and therefore has two elements, hydrogen and helium. First cell K is completed. The second pre-addition is equal to 2 start with lithium and the third electron enter 2s orbital. The next element beryllium has 4 electron and has electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Starting from the next element boron, 2p orbital are filled when L subcell N cell is completed neon. Thus there is a 8 element in second periodic table. The third period N is equal to 3 sodium and added electron in 3s. ठीक है? Successive filling of 3s and 3p orbital give rise to the third element of 8. ठीक है? From sodium to argon. The fourth periodic table N is equal to 4 start with potassium and that added filled with 4s. Now you may note that before 4p is filled, falling up into 3d orbital become energetically favorable. We come across so-called 3d transition element that start from the scandium, which has an electronic configuration A. 3d The 3d orbital are filled at zinc. The electronic configuration A. The fourth period into the krypton filling with 4p orbital. All through we have 18 element in the fourth period. The fifth element n is equal to 5 being with rubidium is similar at the fourth period that contain 4d transition starting from yttrium. Periodic end at xenon with filling of 5p orbital. The sixth orbital containing 32 element and successive electrons filling of 4f cerium. ठीक है, and end with lutetium. ठीक है, inner transition element lactanoid series. The seventh period n is equal to sim is similar to the sixth period ये orbitals and include the most man-made and radioactive. This period will end at the element with atomic number 118 which will belong to the noble gas family, filling up with 5f. After the actinium give 5f inner transition series known as actinoid series. The 4f and 5f inner transition of the element are placed separately in the periodic table to maintain the structure and to preserve the principle of classification by keeping the element with similar property in similar column. अब देखिए ग्रुप वाइज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एलिमेंट इन सेम वर्टिकल कॉलम और ग्रुप इज सिमिलर वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन सेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन एंड सेम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द आउटर ऑर्बिटल एंड सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रुप 1 अल्कली मेटल NS1 cell ये. Thus it can be seen that the property of element having periodic dependence upon its atomic number and relative atomic mass. A theoretical foundation for the periodic classification. The element in vertical column of periodic table constitute a group or family and exhibit a similar chemical behavior. The similarity arises because of these elements have same number and same distribution of element in the outermost orbital. We can classify the element in four blocks as PDF. ठीक है, depending on the type of atomic orbital that are being filled with electrons. This is illustrated figure 3.3. We notice two exceptions to which category. Strictly helium belong to the S block, but the positioning of P block along with other group 18 is justified because of its completely filled valence electron and as a result exhibit a property of characteristics of noble gas. ठीक है? The other exception of hydrogen, it is only the s electron and hence it can be placed in group 1. It can also gain an electron to achieve a noble gas arrangement and hence it can behave similar to group 17 halogen family element. Because it is a special case, we shall place hydrogen separately at top of the periodic table as shown in figure. We briefly discuss the silent feature of four type of element mark periodic table more. अब देखिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एसपीटीएफ ठीक है और बाउ प्रिंसिपल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फॉलो ठीक है जैसे हो जाएगा एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट द एलिमेंट ऑफ ग्रुप 1 alkali metal and group 2 alkaline earth metal which have ns1 and ns2 outermost electronic configuration belong to s block. They are all sorry they are all reactive metal with low ionization enthalpy. They lose outermost electron radially to form plus 1 in the plus 2 ion and alkaline metal. This is metallic character reactivity increase as we go down the group. Because of the high reactivity, they are never found pure in nature. The compound of S block element, with the exception of those of lithium and beryllium, are predominantly ionic. The p block element. The p block element comprise those belonging to the group 13 to 18 and these together with S block known as representative or main group element. The outermost electronic configuration ns1 np1 to ns2 np6 in the period. At the end of each period, a noble gas element was closed valence ns2 np6 configuration. All the orbital in valence shell of noble gas are completely filled by electron and it is very difficult to alter a stable arrangement by the addition and removal of electron. The noble gas thus exhibits a very low chemical reactivity. Preceding the noble gas family are two chemically important group of nonmetal. They are halogens and chalcogens. ठीक है? These two group of element have highly negative electron gain enthalpy and radially add one of two element respectively to attain a stable noble gas configuration. The non-metallic character increases as we move from left to right along the period and metallic character increases as we move group. ठीक है देखिए डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट क्या होते हैं दीज आर द ग्रुप ऑफ 3 to 3 से 12 तक होते हैं they are centrally placed periodic table. These are characterized by filling of inner d by the electron and therefore referred to as d block. Those elements have general outer electronic configuration n-1 d 1 to 10 and ns 0 to 2 except palladium where electronic configuration ये they are all metals. They are mostly form a colored and exhibit valence oxidation state, paramagnetism, and often used as a catalyst. However, zinc, cadmium, and Hg, which have been electronic configuration, do not show most of the property of the transition element. In the way, transition metal form a bridge between chemically active metal as block and less active metal from group and transition metal इसको बोलते हैं ठीक है The F block element. The two rows of element from bottom of the periodic table is called lactanoid, cerium to lutetium, and actinoid from 90 to 103 are characterized by the outer configuration. ये the last electron added to each element filled with F. These two series of elements are inner transition element. They are all metal. Within each series, the property of the element are quite similar. The chemistry of early actinoids is more complicated than the corresponding lactinoid due to the large number of oxidation states possible for those of actinoid. Actinoid elements are radioactive. Many of the actinoid elements have been made only a monogram quantity of even less nuclear reaction and the chemistry is not fully studied. These elements after uranium in trans uranium element.